Hi traders, in this video I'm going to give you an update on the indicators that I've been developing. I showed you guys these indicators about 3 weeks ago, and some of you guys have gone ahead and you've downloaded the indicators. Some of you have also bought the indicators and you're testing them on your charts with really good results. I want to show you guys the updates that I have made to the indicators so that you can be up to speed. And also, if you're deciding to purchase these indicators, you can find the links in the description of the video on the MQL5 website. It's very easy to make a purchase on the MQL5 website. It is secure. You don't have to worry about anything. All right, just go use the links that I'm leaving in the description of the video so that you can get these tools. They are very helpful. Instead of you trying to find the trend, trying to know where to draw the tradable zone and all that work has been done for you using the indicator that I have developed for you guys. So without wasting time guys, let me show you guys how the indicators work and which updates I have for the indicators. Let's go. The indicators that I showed you last time were the support and resistance indicator, the tradable zones indicator, and also this sentiment indicator right here. All right, and so many of you guys actually responded. You bought the indicator. Some of you just downloaded the demo for testing purposes, which is also good. So let me just show you first this sentiment indicator right here. You see this indicator, it has two buttons. You can click to move and then to pin it anywhere you want on the chart, and then you can click the R button just to reset it. If you click R, it resets the indicator to the original place. Now this indicator works in a way that it looks for where there is momentum, and also it looks at the different websites where we can find the sentiment of traders and also the COT data for the large institutions. It gathers data from different sources to gauge where the strong market sentiment is, and that is what it displays here. So here it shows strong sellers for now. As you can see, the trend is actually moving down very well. As you can see, if I zoom this in, you can see today this pair here, GBP AUD, is strongly selling. It is showing strong sellers, right? The tradable zones indicator is this one, which is drawing the zones, like the purple zone here you can see here, which the market pulled into and started selling off. So if you have this indicator and also this one here, you can have a good combination of tools to help you in your technical analysis. All right, so let's look at also the lines. You can see the zones indicator comes with the lines. These lines here, these vertical lines, as you can see, the blue line shows the weekly open, and then those dotted vertical lines show the daily open. Those lines help you to visualize which week you are in and how currently the trend is on that week. All right, so that comes free of charge when you get the zones indicator. All right, so also I have the support and resistance indicator, which draws support and resistance automatically for you to be able to gauge where the market is at the moment. So if you go, like for example on gold, the gold chart right now, you can see there is a resistance and support there, and the market is respecting those zones very well. You can see it draws them automatically for you. All right, you go to, for example here, let's look at this. You can see today we had a very good pullback where market has tested once, twice, thrice. After breaking above this resistance, it came to this support and tested it 3 times and then started going up. Also, you can see here there is a tradable zones indicator here, the purple zone. If I remove the support and resistance, you see the market pull back into the tradable zone here on the daily, and also this grayed out area is the 4-hour tradable zone, and now the market is buying from there. You can also see here this indicator here, which is the sentiment indicator, is showing moderate buyers. So you can see that this is going to be helpful if you have a combination of these indicators on your chart. Instead of you drawing the levels yourself, this will help you out with doing that. All right, so that is very important. If you have the support and resistance, it helps you to gauge where the market is going. I have seen so many indicators trying to say they do the same thing, but guys, I've tested very many indicators and I've seen none of them comes even close to how accurate this indicator is, especially when you know how to do technical analysis. This indicator can be a very good tool in your arsenal of trading. It can really help you revolutionize the way you look at the markets, right? So also the improvements I've made for this one is that now you see up here, you can click and then move that panel around and put it anywhere you want for easy access like that. Then you can click again to pin it. If you want to reset it, click the red button to go back to its original place. Right? So guys, those are the 3 major indicators I've been updating for you guys on the MQL marketplace. You can have access to them today using the links in the description of the video. Guys, you can also support my work by purchasing these indicators. They are not very expensive. You just make a one-time purchase and you will have them for life. You don't need to pay again once you buy them through the links I'm giving you in the description of the video. All right, I want to see you guys engaging. Till next time, peace and out.